Ever scroll past a stock that's $500, $1,000, or even $3,000 a share and think, I'll never be able to buy that? If you felt priced out of investing in big, established companies like Amazon, Google, or Shopify, you are not alone. For years, the high cost of a single share was a major barrier for new investors, forcing you to save up for months just to own one slice of the pie. Well, that's officially an old-school problem. Today, we're diving into what I think is one of the biggest game changers for everyday Canadian investors, fractional shares on Wealthsimple Trade. It's the feature that breaks down those huge price barriers, and it's a total shift in how you can build your portfolio. So, what exactly is a fractional share? It's exactly what it sounds like, a fraction of one whole share of a company's stock. Instead of buying one share of a $1,000 stock, you can buy, say, 1/10 of a share for just $100. Wealthsimple Trade makes this incredibly simple. Instead of placing an order for a quantity of shares, you place an order for a specific dollar amount. You tell the app, I want to invest $50 in this stock, and Wealthsimple automatically buys you that dollar amount's worth of the share, even if it's 0.1, 0.5, or 1.25 shares. This unlocks three massive benefits for you as an investor. First and most obvious, accessibility. You can own a piece of almost any high-priced stock on the platform with as little as $1. This is huge for new investors with smaller budgets. Second, diversification. In the past, if you only had $500, you might have been forced to put all of it into a single, cheaper stock. Now, you can take that same $500 and easily spread it across 5 different expensive stocks, giving you instant diversification and lowering your risk. And third, the power of dollar cost averaging. This is where fractional shares truly shine. Say you decide to invest exactly $100 every 2 weeks. If the stock price changes, you no longer have to worry about buying an awkward number of shares or having leftover cash sitting idle. With fractional shares, you invest the full $100 every single time, ensuring 100% of your money is always working for you. This makes your investment plan more consistent, efficient, and easier to stick to. Now, a couple of quick things to know about fractional shares on Wealthsimple. They're available for a huge list of popular US and Canadian stocks and ETFs. And yes, if you own a fractional share of a dividend-paying stock, you will receive a proportional, fractional dividend payment as well. Everything is tracked automatically within your account. The ability to invest any dollar amount you want, instantly, in any stock you want, has completely democratized the stock market. It means your budget no longer dictates which companies you can invest in. It puts the focus back on your financial goal and your investment strategy, not the arbitrary price tag of a single share. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.